Hi friends, in the last video, I just showed my concerns and worries about NIO stock price. And yesterday, they just announced that they will have a big movement. Finally, we can see that NIO was defeated by the reality. On June 12th, NIO announced a price reduction of 30,000 yuan for all models. For example, the starting price for the fully assembled NIO 85 is now 298,000 yuan, with a starting price of 228 yuan for the battery rental plan. 3 days ago, the goal that William Li had set of an average monthly sales of over 20,000 units in the second half of the year may be achieved through this price reduction, which could be his trump card. According to the statement released by NIO, this adjustment does not only involve the price, but also includes a number of aspects such as car usage benefits and car exchange benefits. The price has been adjusted downwards, as well as the car benefits for NIO's customers. After June 12, the free power exchange will no longer be a basic benefit. Users can choose to pay for a single exchange, and NIO will offer a flexible power replenishment package thereafter. As we know that 2 years ago, free lifetime replacement was a signature benefit for NIO's customers. This policy has been adjusted several times, most recently this month, when the number of free monthly exchanges for new owners was adjusted from 6 to 4. However, NIO's difficult decision has clearly been recognized by the capital markets. The positive feedback from the market is not only due to the positive expectations for delivery levels after price reduction. More importantly, it's a new attempt by NIO to monetize its services through a new business model called service monetization. The logic behind this price adjustment was explained by William Li, who summed it up in the 4 words: service monetization. More specifically, it's about monetizing their battery swapping service. Well, of course, NIO's customers has responded positively to the price reduction. They can now buy their favorite cars by less money, even though their driving rights has been reduced. However, the 30,000 yuan price difference is enough to cover the battery swapping cost for several years. However, what I'm worrying about is after the sales price was lowered, how NIO can ensure the stability and even recovery of its gross profit margin, which is also a key issue that management cannot ignore. It is understood that NIO currently has over 330,000 users, and the company will spend over 10 billion yuan in subsidies for its policy. Ultimately, the investment market will still rely on financial performance. This is something that needs to be observed further. What's more, from the perspective of NIO's brand value, many users choose NIO because of its unique and thoughtful after-sales service system. Perhaps the most widely used service is a free battery swapping or other free energy replenishment methods. With the cancellation of these driving rights after the price reduction, the convenience of using a NIO vehicle seems to have weakened. In this case, is it still necessary to choose a new model? To be honest, I'm not that really optimistic about NIO's stock price and its prospects. So here, I really want to know what's your perspective. If you want to invest in China, subscribe my channel and get a latest perspective of the equity research.